Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we'll try to solve Leetcode problem 1342. Let's try to solve this one. So the problem is that we have been given an integer num. So in this instance it's 14 and then you get output 6. So basically what you do, you just divide this number every time by 2, and whatever number you get, if you get 7, like which is the odd number, you want to subtract 1 from it. So you subtract 1 from it and you get 6. So every time you get even again, you divide it again and you get 3. Then it's an odd number again, so you want to make it even, so you again subtract 1 from it, make it even, again divide it by 2, you got 1, which is odd, again subtract 1 from it, you got 0. So they just want to see how many steps are involved in this. So if you see, when it was 14, you divided it by 2, that's 1. Then it became an odd number 7, so you minus 1 from it, that's another, then 6. So you can see they all total 6 steps. So you want to return the count of the steps, which is 6, as the output. For example, in this number, which is 8, so 2 4s are 8, and then 2 2s are 4, that's second step, and then 2 1s are 2, that's 3 step, and then it's an odd number 1, so 1 minus 1 0, which is the fourth step. So you return output as a 4. So we'll just try to see how we can solve this problem. So okay, I'll solve it directly because it seems pretty much easy. So only there are two conditions. First condition, the number should be even. Only if it's even, then you can go and use the divide operator. But if it's not even, you need to minus 1 from it and you need to continue the steps. So let's start it. So I'll create a variable count, which will be 0, right? This is the count which will return at the end. And then I'll create. So now what I want to do is I want to only go through this number 14. So the number is 14 right now, right? And how many times I want to loop through it. I mean, by looping, I mean how many times I want to check, only till it's greater than 0. Once this number is 0 or smaller, if it's 0, then I don't want to go through it because I've already got it 0, so I can return the steps. So I'll only go through it till num is greater than 0, right? And how can I do that? I can use a while loop. While loop will be really good. So I'll say while num is greater than 0, right? While this is greater than 0, what I'll do, I'll use the if condition. I'll say if num percent, so use percent operator. So percent operator gives you the remainder, that 2 7s are 14, right? What is the remainder? 0, nothing is left. 7 is the dividend, so 2 7s are 14, nothing is left. So why I'm doing this? To get to know if the number is even or odd. So if num percent 2, right, if num percent 2 is not equals to 0, so if this is not equals to 0, it means it's an odd number, right? So if it's an odd number, then I want to take this number and I want to remove 1 from it to make it even, and every time I do this, I want to increase the count by 1. So you can say count equals to count plus 1, right? If this is not the case, right, if this is not the case, then what do I want to do is I want to take num, right, and I want to divide it by 2 and get the 7 answer, right? So 2 7s are 14, I want to get the 7, so that 7 can go next time here and say, oh, I'm not dividing by 2, so minus 1 and then 6, then it will come again here. Those all steps are counting. So if this happens, then also I want to increase count by 1, right? And after the while loop, I just want to return count, and count is what? This condition, it would be 7. That's it. Let's run. Yeah, it passed the test case. Now see if it passed all the test cases. It did. We had a good solution. That's it. So if you had any problem, comment in the video or what you didn't understood. But if you need more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and if you are stuck on any Leetcode problem, you can ask for the solutions how I describe, like the easiest solution you'll find on internet. So yeah, thank you.